Hi all, we are Team 3 and let's reimagine how classrooms can be managed more efficiently. Where an institute can create professor with a single click, students can log in with their Gmail accounts or their school account, and professor can manage the class with just a couple of clicks. It's flawless and let's reduce the professor's load.
Admin adds professor's course, first name, last name, and email. Let's log in as professor. You get access to class directory in which you see information of staff and students. Class configurations next, where you could upload a student roster and staff roster. In addition, add a description of the course. Going back to class directory, you see the information updated from that CSE. You get options to add the skill sets in regards to the weights that you prefer customizable. You could add as many skill sets as you want. Based on the skills that the professor defined earlier, students get to fill out their skill sets, which then gets updated in the group formation. This professor is able to generate groups, both using the algorithm that our team has created or randomization. This is important because it allows a more stabilized group formation. In addition, team lead and TA can be assigned. Once teams are formed, you can see them in the team dashboard with information that the team leads can update. Description, project status, repo link, and at the bottom you see the TAs and the team leads of the project displayed. Then in the class directory, you see this information also updated with an option of seeing the calendar for the assignments in the course, in which the staff can edit both the date, the details, and an option to edit. Professor can generate an attendance code, which students can copy it into their section to mark their attendance. As for TA, they get to submit their attendance of the week and specific meetings that they had. Similarly, team leads can generate their attendance code for their team members' meeting. Team leads can schedule recurring meetings and group-specific task meetings in which their teammates can see in their calendar view. In the work journal, this is where students, including team leads, can write about their progress, talk about their sentiments, and have the option to reach out to a staff, including the team lead. Make the note public or private. To see past journals, they click on the right bottom button. In evaluation journal, professor, TA, and team leads can write notes about individual students, which they can also see the work journals to base those notes on. They have access to write the public notes and private notes in the sentiment score. Notes are saved and staff can review during the quarter. When submitted, students can see the evaluation note made, including the sentiment and the note. Students have a task tracker which is connected to the GitHub, in which they can write down the current task they're working on, as well as the option to move around that specific task across the to-do, in progress, and done section. Tutor dashboard includes class directory, ticket queue, and the frequently asked questions, which they can customize to broadcast to all students. Now in the student dashboard, they can submit a ticket to specific tutors, include the question and the ticket name. Tutors get to see the ticket and respond to the ticket.